In a world where precision isn't optional, only the sharpest tools make the cut. Introducing the OSIGHT SE. A compact, fully enclosed optic engineered for concealed carry, tactical precision, and everyday readiness. Housed in CNC machine, aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, the OSIGHT SE is rugged, lightweight, and nearly indestructible. Its aspherical lens delivers a crystal-clear, parallax-free view with zero distortion. Choose your edge. A 2 MOA dot, a 32 MOA circle, or both. Designed with a universal RMSC footprint, it mounts directly on most optics-ready slides. No adapters, no compromise. And the side-loading battery means you'll never lose zero when it's time for a swap. Always ready, never guessing. From the discreet carrier, to the on-duty professional, to the competitive shooter, the OSIGHT SE adapts, responds, and performs. This isn't just an optic, it's performance redefined. OSIGHT SE, simple yet extraordinary.